Moving on now, the prosecution and defense are preparing tonight for a second day of testimony in a hearing involving Daniel Villegas. His attorneys want his confession to a deadly drive-by shooting in 1993 thrown out of evidence. This is the third time the district attorney is pursuing capital murder charges against Villegas, who was 16 at the time of the shooting. His 1995 conviction was overturned by the Court of Criminal Appeals in December of last year. The state called 3 former El Paso police detectives to the stand today. All of them denied hitting, threatening, or even yelling at Villegas. But under cross-examination, Earl Arbogast and Carlos Ortega admitted they made a mistake and changed their testimony since first taking the stand against Villegas 20 years ago. Another interesting turn of events, former Detective Scott Graves testified Villegas supporter and local businessman John Mimbella had contacted his wife's boss and sent packets of information and photos of a young Villegas to his home. Graves said he felt harassed by Mimbella.
Sometimes tell John that maybe he shouldn't be so aggressive. Yes, I have, but John does what he does. He's very passionate and believes strongly in Daniel's innocence, so I'll deal with that.
The prosecution did not want to comment after the hearing concluded today. Spencer told me he expects the testimony to wrap up tomorrow. The 409th District Court gets back in session at 8:30 in the morning.